Hello friends, today I will try to answer the question of how sound is created in a Tesla coil. You have probably seen a lot of sounding Tesla coils. Look at them. I also made my own Tesla coils, which not only plays a polyphonic or monophonic melody, but it can also sing in the voice you just heard. There is an interference, but it reproduces the voice. The question of sound is very complicated. I can only say approximately how the Tesla coil creates sound. So this phenomenon is related to the phenomenon of self-induction. More precisely, it can be said that if you have a half-bridge oscillatory circuit and break the circuit of half-bridge oscillatory circuit, then the energy of the electric circuit is released at the moment of opening the circuit. If you break the electrical circuit in time with the sound frequency, then the discharge streamers changes. The streamers can be short but thick and long but thin. If you change the thickness and length of the streamer in time with the sound, then the plasma oscillation in the air will create longitudinal waves, which you and I hear as a sound. If you want to learn how to make this device that you have seen that I have written an article that you can purchase in my store using the link that I will leave in the description of this video. So that's all for now. Bye bye everyone. Have the new ideas, have the new projects. Yuri Kovalenok was with you.